think they like you, Emma.
Oh, yeah.
You have to hold your stick out, Merce. They really like the food. That's what they want. You want one more stick? Okay, we'll go get one more.